Meteorologist Kyle Mounts here with an update on your forecast. And as the heat and humidity have returned, so is that chance for thunderstorms. We have a severe thunderstorm watch, which covers much of central Indiana through your Sunday evening. And here's a look at TrueCast. As we go through the evening hours, we'll start to see that line. Could be a broken line of thunderstorms that moves in from the west and makes its way east across the state. Now, as we go through time, gusty winds, some hail going to be the main threats here. You notice by 10 o'clock this evening, we still have a few of those thunderstorms, but for the most part, the severe weather threat should diminish as we reach midnight. Again, as mentioned, here's a look at that severe weather potential for us. Large hail, primarily some gusty winds that could be in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm should be moving fast enough that keeps flooding from being too much of a threat. Another chance for a few thunderstorms in our Monday forecast. We're back in the heat and humidity too, with highs around 90 degrees Monday afternoon.